Everyone is talking about Higgsfield Canvas. And I get it, the cinematic camera controls are real, the motion presets are impressive, and the output looks great. But here is the problem nobody is saying out loud. Higgsfield still starts with generation. You write a prompt, hit generate, and hope the AI understood what was in your head. When it does not, you burn credits, tweak the prompt, generate again, and repeat. That is not creative control. That is creative gambling. I just tested something brand new that solves the one problem Higgsfield has never touched. This is Topview Canvas, the world's first storyboard-first infinite canvas for AI video. And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why planning before generating changes everything. Welcome back to Esmile AI. Let's get into it. Here's the core idea. Think about how a Hollywood director actually makes a film. They don't walk onto set and hope the shot looks good. They spend weeks in pre-production, storyboard, visual style, characters, lighting, every creative decision locked in before a single camera rolls. Now, think about how you use AI video tools right now. You open the platform, write a prompt, generate, look at what came back, and realize the character looks different from the last clip. You're not directing, you're playing a slot machine. Topview Canvas is the pre-production studio that AI video has been missing. I open Topview Canvas at topview.ai/canvas and hit Start Creating. You land on a completely open, infinite workspace. No rigid timeline, no locked layout. On the right is a built-in AI agent. And here's something important. You can select which model powers this agent. I ran Claude Sonnet 4.6 as my creative co-director. This is not a basic chatbot. This is one of the most advanced language models available today, acting as your personal script supervisor. I gave the agent my concept, an elderly, eccentric clockmaker in a dusty steampunk workshop in small-town America. He discovers a mysterious glowing blue gear. The moment he fits it into a broken pocket watch, the entire room transforms from a rusted workshop into a breathtaking futuristic laboratory. Here is what happened next, and this is where Topview Canvas separates itself from everything else. The agent did not generate a single frame of video. It stopped and built a complete story direction document first. Genre, hook, protagonist backstory, emotional arc, all written out before the AI touched anything visual. It named the clockmaker. It defined what the story is really about, a man who has spent his entire life repairing broken things only to discover the one thing that needed fixing was his own world. I wrote one paragraph. The AI built an entire film concept. I approved the story direction. Then, the agent used GPT-Image 2 to generate a master style card directly onto the infinite canvas. Not a reference image you upload and hope the AI vaguely understands, a precise generated visual document defining the exact color temperature, lighting philosophy, and cinematic references for every frame this project would produce. Warm amber and burnished brass melting into cool luminous blue. Pixar warmth meeting the visual tension of the movie Arrival. That visual DNA locked on the canvas before a single second of video was generated. This is the moment I understood what Topview Canvas actually is. Not an AI video generator, a creative system. Here's why this matters. The reason AI video clips look inconsistent, why your character looks like a different person in shot 3, why backgrounds shift color between scenes, is not because the models are bad. The models are incredible. The reason is that every generation starts from scratch. The AI has no memory of your previous clip. Every prompt is a brand new guess. Topview Canvas solves this with asset cards. After locking the visual style, the agent built a complete asset library directly on the canvas. A 4-panel character card showing the clockmaker from multiple angles, weathered face, worn leather apron, calloused hands, an environment card for the steampunk workshop before transformation, object cards for the rusted pocket watch and the glowing blue gear. Every asset generated, named, and sitting on the canvas like puzzle pieces ready to become a film. Now, when the AI generates any clip in this project, it is not guessing. It is referencing a visual rulebook we built before generation started. Character consistency across 7 scenes? Solved. Environmental continuity shot to shot? Solved. This is what Higgsfield cannot do. Higgsfield gives you cinematic camera controls, and those are genuinely impressive, but there is no pre-production layer, no storyboard system, no structured asset library the AI references across every clip. You're still starting each generation with a prompt and hoping. With assets locked, I gave the agent the green light to write the scene script. It broke my single concept into a complete 90-second film across 7 scene cards covering 22 individual camera shots. Parallax dolly movements, extreme close-ups on gears and hands, rack focuses from the pocket watch to the clockmaker's eyes at the moment of discovery. Every scene card had our character and environment assets tagged directly inside the script text. The entire film planned in cinematic detail with every asset cross-referenced before we generated one frame. Now we generate. At the bottom of every scene card is a Generate Video button. Because Topview Canvas knows exactly which scene you are on, it automatically loads the prompt, attaches the correct asset references, and sets the duration and aspect ratio. You just hit generate, and here is something Higgsfield cannot match right now. You do not wait for one scene to finish before starting the next. I clicked generate on all 7 scenes back to back. Topview sent every single one to Seedance 2.0 simultaneously and rendered all 7 clips in parallel. Total generation time for a complete 7-scene cinematic short, a fraction of what sequential rendering takes. The results came back, and I want to be straight with you. They are genuinely impressive. The lighting matches the style card precisely. The camera movements follow the agent's planned shots, and the clockmaker, same face, same apron, same texture, appears consistent across all 7 scenes in a way prompt-only tools have never delivered for me. Is it perfect? No AI tool is perfect yet, but the consistency gap between storyboard-first generation and prompt-only generation is not a small improvement. It is a fundamentally different quality of output. Assembling the final film took 2 minutes. Hover over each clip, click Add to Timeline, drop all 7 scenes into sequence, play through, and export. Done.
There you are. Still you. Where have you been? Well then.
One more thing before I wrap. The left sidebar has standalone AI tools, AI Image with GPT-Image 2, individual AI video clips, and AI audio generation. Topview Canvas is not just a storyboard tool, it is a complete creative studio. Generate music for your film, create thumbnail images, produce B-roll clips, all inside one workspace without switching platforms. Quick, honest comparison. Higgsfield is excellent for generating beautiful individual clips with precise camera controls. One dramatic shot with a specific dolly move or crash zoom. Higgsfield does that very well. But Higgsfield has no pre-production layer, no storyboard system, no asset library for consistency. And Seedance 2.0 on Higgsfield is not available in the United States right now, which is a significant limitation for US creators. Topview Canvas is built for creators who want to make AI video the way real directors make films, with preparation, with intentional visual design, with a system that locks in consistency before a single frame is generated. The link is in the very top line of the description. Click it, open your first Canvas project, give the agent a concept and watch what it builds. Drop your results in the comments. I genuinely want to see what you create. Subscribe to Esmile AI for the tools and workflows actually worth your time. See you in the next one.